Hello everyone, I am Cassie, a librarian at Phoenix Public Library, and I will be showing you how to make 3D perspective hands.
For today's video, you'll be needing a blank scrap piece of paper. I did an 8 by 11 and just cut it in half so the kitties can make little ones. Otherwise, it's gonna take you a long time. You're gonna need at least 3 colors or more. I did 4. You're gonna need a ruler and you're gonna need a pencil and a pen. Are you ready? Let's get started. Go ahead and put your hand on that piece of paper, and then you're going to have someone or yourself trace it with a pencil. If you're very little, it'll probably help if you have a helper. Turning your paper to the left or right, go ahead and grab a ruler and a pen and carefully trace lines down the paper while skipping anywhere that your hand is to leave it blank in the middle. Once you're done, you're going to go back through and you're going to connect the lines by making small curves or bumps to give the indication that something is underneath your lines. After you're done with your lines, we're going to go ahead and color. So if you have 3 colors, you're going to want to color in a pattern, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I have 4, so I have a color pattern of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to want to color in lightly and you want to do it neatly. You don't want to get too dark because we're going to shade in this next part. Now we're going to do some shading. You're going to grab those colors and you're going to go back through, and any place where your hand meets the paper, you're going to go ahead and shade that part just a little darker on the edges of your fingers and at the bottom where your fingers touch the paper. You're going to go ahead and do that in for every color. If the colors that you're using aren't dark enough, if you have a similar shade and it's darker, you can go ahead and use that. Luckily, I was drawing light enough that I didn't have to do that. You might notice I'm using coloring pencil, but you can also use highlighter, marker, or crayons, anything that you'd like. When light hits a 3D object, it leaves a shadow, and by shading, we're also creating the illusion of shadow to make our hand stick out of our paper. Voila! I hope you had as much fun as I did drawing your 3D perspective hands. Go ahead and hang those beauties up, and I'll see you again later. Bye!